Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to make money while you sleep? Not just a little side cash, but real, consistent income flowing 24/7 without you having to watch every minute. Well, today, I'm about to show you something most people don't know exists. A loophole in AI automation that's quietly helping ordinary people turn their ideas into real revenue streams. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss the secrets we're uncovering here, because once you understand this, your perspective on work will change forever. So here's the deal. AI isn't just some futuristic tech that sits in labs or powers smart assistants anymore. It's a tool that, when used the right way, can operate non-stop, performing tasks that used to take humans hours automatically. But here's the thing, most people are using it wrong. They see AI as a toy, a gimmick, or a way to generate content. Very few see it as a money-making machine. And that's exactly where the loophole comes in. Let me give you a story. A friend of mine, let's call him Alex, was stuck in a 9-to-5 job he hated. Every day felt like he was running on a hamster wheel. Bills, rent, commuting, it was exhausting. Then he stumbled onto this AI automation method. It wasn't some get-rich-quick scam or flashy scheme. It was strategic, precise, and simple. Alex started small. He created an automated system that could handle customer inquiries, post content, and even manage basic digital products. The kicker: the AI never slept. Customers from the US, the UK, Australia, or anywhere else in the world could interact with his system at any hour, and the AI would respond instantly. He was making sales in the middle of the night without lifting a finger. At first, he didn't believe it himself. He would check his phone at 2 a.m., half asleep, and see notifications. Sale completed, new client onboarded, payment received, over and over. And here's the most insane part, the AI wasn't just processing orders, it was learning, adapting, and optimizing. Every interaction got smarter, every process faster. Within a month, his side project was making more than his 9-to-5. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but this must be complicated, right? Here's the truth, it is. That's the loophole. The system is designed to be plug and play. You don't need a tech degree. You don't need a huge budget. What you need is the knowledge of how to set it up once and then let it run, continuously improving as it goes. And here's where most people miss it. They underestimate the power of timing and structure. AI works best when it's positioned in the right niche, targeting the right audience, and designed to respond with value. That's why Alex's system took off while thousands of others trying random tools flopped. Imagine this, waking up to a notification that says, $350 earned while you slept. Then another one an hour later, $420 earned. And by the time you're having your morning coffee, the AI has already processed multiple transactions across different countries without you doing anything. That's not luck. That's automation leveraged correctly. But here's the thing that really shocks people. This isn't just about selling products. The loophole allows AI to handle services, content distribution, lead generation, and even complex tasks that people traditionally charge hundreds of dollars for. And it all happens without human intervention. Now, if you're intrigued, I want you to pay close attention, because the real magic, the part that most people will never see coming, is in how the AI learns and evolves, how it turns small, repetitive actions into a self-sustaining money machine. Because what I'm about to show you next is where it stops being just a side hustle and starts becoming a 24/7 automated income engine that can change everything. Here's the part that most people never realize. Once the AI is set up, it doesn't just follow instructions. It starts improving itself. Think of it like a virtual employee who never complains, never sleeps, and actually gets better at their job every day. Every message it sends, every response it gives, every transaction it processes feeds data back into the system, making it sharper, faster, and more effective. Let me give you another real example. There's a small entrepreneur in the UK. Let's call her Emma. She was running a tiny online store, barely breaking even. Then she integrated an AI automation system similar to Alex's. Within a week, her AI was handling customer support, processing orders, and even recommending products based on what people were buying most. By the second week, Emma noticed something crazy. Her AI was predicting what products would sell best before she even restocked them. Sales started coming in around the clock, including while she was on a weekend getaway. This is where the loophole becomes almost unfair. You see, most people are still trading hours for dollars. They wake up, they work, they sleep, and the cycle repeats. But AI automation breaks that cycle. It doesn't care about your schedule or your energy levels. It works while you live your life. And the more you let it run, the more intelligent it becomes. And it's not limited to products or e-commerce. Some people are using this loophole to automate digital services like designing logos, writing content, or even running social media campaigns. They set it up once, feed in the right parameters, and then watch as the AI handles dozens of clients simultaneously. In other words, one person can manage the work of a whole team without being chained to a desk. Here's the emotional truth behind it all. The freedom this brings is life-changing. Alex quit his 9-to-5 within 3 months. Emma now travels whenever she wants without worrying about missing a single sale. They're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. They're living on their own terms, and it all started with a simple understanding of this AI loophole. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how do I actually get started? The key is simplicity. Start small, pick one task that eats up your time, and let AI handle it. Then gradually scale up. Don't try to automate everything at once, you'll overwhelm yourself. The beauty of this system is that it's modular. Each automated process is like a building block. Stack enough of them, and suddenly you've built an entire operation that can run 24/7. And here's a secret most gurus won't tell you. The real power isn't in the tools themselves, it's in understanding human behavior and how AI interacts with it. The AI doesn't just work blindly. It responds to patterns, predicts needs, and optimizes outcomes. Once you grasp that, you realize this isn't just a loophole. It's a revolution in how income can be generated. So here's what I want you to do. Take a moment to imagine your life if money was no longer tied to your time. If you could wake up every morning, check your phone, and see your AI doing the heavy lifting while you enjoy life. Imagine the freedom, the options, the security. That's what's possible with this system. This isn't hype. It's happening right now, and ordinary people are using it to transform their financial reality. All it takes is curiosity, focus, and the willingness to let technology work for you, not against you. If you're ready to take that step, start learning about AI automation today. Experiment with one process. Observe, adjust, and scale. Because once you unlock this, there's no going back to the old way of trading hours for dollars. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, because the world of AI automation is moving fast, and the earlier you start, the further ahead you'll be. Remember, this is more than a tool. It's a doorway to freedom, opportunity, and a life where your income isn't tied to your clock. And the best part? It's available right now. The question is, are you ready to step through?